so I already imported my clip and audio. Now resize the video to the TikTok format. After that, add the beat to the audio. Now cut the clip and select your favorite part of the clip. I'm going to speed it up. Make sure to follow for more tutorials. When that's done, adjust the clip to the beats. I'm going to speed it up too. After that, we have to add the transition. Click there and go in Movement. Select Vertical Blur 2. And add that transition to all the clips. Now we have to add the flash effect. Go in Effect and search up Black Flash. Click on it and follow what I'm doing on screen. Click Duplicate. And you're done.